Algorand's EMA explicitly shows an extremely descending pattern in a truly significant manner. As far as Algo support floor, it most certainly is currently 29 cents, or so they by and large thought. Algo fall 13.42% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand generally is by and by esteemed at 12 cents the 14th of June 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually certainly got clarification on some pressing issues. What certainly is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Algorand, especially as Algo a wise speculation, or so they explicitly thought. Algorand support and opposition levels and so on, which generally is very critical. Be that as it may, prior to jumping especially profound into the Algo specialized examination. Generally let us in a real sense discuss the in every way that really matters. Current economic situations. So Algo fall 13.42% in 7 days, or so they fundamentally thought. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,058,986,395,016 in a sort of huge manner. The very complete exchanging volume especially remains at $28,914,442,597, which especially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 47.59% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, which really is genuinely critical, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78%, which by and large is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value decline of 0.37% coming to $1,745.65 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that Algorand's EMA in every practical sense shows a for the most part descending pattern, which essentially is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $248.77, following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time period, showing what for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78% and in every way that really matters, huge way. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP generally is somewhere around 9.41 and presently exchanging at 51 cents. So market investigation over the absolute last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,058,986,395,016 truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem. Pretty further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value decline of 0.37% coming to $1,745.65 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that Algorand's EMA for the most part shows a descending pattern, or so they for the most part thought. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market by and large is going in every practical sense, descending bearing for commonly present moment, which for the most part shows that Algo fall 13.42% in 7 days in a huge manner. Right now, a sort of broad genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which basically shows that these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a really descending bearing for pretty present moment, which certainly shows that Algo fall 13.42% in 7 days in an extremely huge manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers for the most part become certainly more certainly dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition is a level at which dealers truly become move certainly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in every practical sense is very critical. Following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand execution. The sort of current Algorand cost explicitly is 12 cents, with an exchanging volume of $27,221,167 in the beyond 24 hours, in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Presently, Algo most certainly is somewhere near 0% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $835,164,378 USD in a sort of huge manner. Algorand Value Examination ALGO Cost Investigation for the 14th of June 2023 inside a genuinely everyday time span truly made sense of underneath, exceptionally further appearance how similarly. Opposition truly is a level at which vendors truly become move kind of dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which by and large is genuinely huge. We utilize kind of relative strength index, moving essentially normal combination and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including certainly straightforward moving especially normal and outstanding moving truly normal to by and large dissect the future development of the algorithm, showing how as far as ALGO support floor, it really is presently 29 cents in a fundamentally significant manner. The Algorand generally has in a real sense break all its for the most part upholds levels, and things truly are not looking genuinely great for the crypto market. Essentially further appearance how following in every way that really matters are the help and opposition levels of Algorand execution. The kind of current Algorand cost generally is 12 cents, with an exchanging volume of $27,221,167 in the kind of beyond 24 hours, which generally is very huge. At present, in every practical sense, bears really are in charge of the market and effectively sort of take ALGO cost beneath the vital help level of 29 cents, showing that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $248.77, following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time span, exhibiting what essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78%, which in a real sense is genuinely huge, while ALGO's Williams %R marker fundamentally is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span showing an impartial condition. A exchange really signal sort of is certainly conceivable at this reach in a by and large enormous manner. The ALGO, USD moving in every practical sense, normal combination and dissimilarity marker sort of is demonstrating a by and large present moment for the most part sell in every way that really matters. Signal as the MACD line in a real sense is moving beneath kind of sign line, which fundamentally implies basically bears truly are ruling on the lookout. Certainly further appearance how we utilize commonly relative strength index, moving kind of normal union and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving extremely normal and remarkable moving truly normal to in a real sense dissect the future development of the algorithm, showing how as far as ALGO support floor, it for the most part is currently 29 cents in a very significant manner. The overall strength record demonstrates that the ALGO coin truly is close oversold zone, as RSI explicitly is at 31, showing how market examination over the truly last 24 hours. There especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,058,986,395,016, which for the most part is very critical.